Hey, fourth graders, Mrs. Steppa here. I am going to do my best to teach you a few different division strategies for your first fourth grade math challenge. So, the problem that I have for you guys is division, because I know we're practicing that right now. And I have 187 divided by 4, and the story that I have to go along with that is you and 3 friends earned $187 doing yard work for your neighbors. You have to split the money fairly between the 4 of you. So we know that if I'm splitting up that money between 4 people, I'm doing some equal sharing, which means division. I have $187 divided by 4 would give me the share that each person would have of that money. I can also think about it as 4 times what factor would get me up to 187. So either of these ways of thinking would be appropriate to solve this problem. Let me show you a few examples of how you could solve a problem like this. The first one would just be to kind of take 187 and try to divide it up into 4 groups. So when I'm dividing it up into groups, I like to use easy factors like 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, 50, 100 to see how close I can get to 187. And I already started off with 20s. So I was thinking hundreds at first, but if there was 100 in each group, that would be 400. That's way too much. And then even 50 in each group, that would be 50 here and 50 here. That would be 200. That's still too much. So I'm going with 20, right? So 20, 40, 60, 80. I'm at 80 so far. I know 80 fits inside of 187, right? So I'm just putting off to the side 187, and I'm taking out 80 of them, and that's going to leave me with 107 left, okay? So then I still have 107. I bet you I can still put another 80 because 80 still fits into 107. So I'll put another 20, 20, 20, 20, another 4 sets of 20. That would be another 80. So I got to take out another 80 from my 107. The way that I think about that is I think about 100 minus 80 would leave me with 20, and then I just put that 7 back on would be 27. Now that I have 27 left, I need to think about how many 4s will fit inside to 27. So I know that 4 times 5 is 20. So I'm just going to try 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. 4 5s would get me up to 20. And when I take 20 off of my 27, that would leave me with 7. So you can see off to the side where I did that. But I can't do 4 more 5s because that would be way more than 7. So I'm just going to switch to, can't even do 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. That's too much 1s. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then even with those ones again, 5, 6, 7, that's only $3. I can't split that fairly. So there would be $3 left over. So $4 that I took out, and then $3 would actually be my remainder. Okay, so that means that in each of these groups, each person gets 20 and 20 is 40 plus 5 plus 1 would be $46. 1 second, baby. $46, and there would be a remainder of $3. You could even show it a few other ways. I'll pause this to try to fit it in. So there that is with both the groups with the circles, and I did it with some bars along the bottom. So you can see that each person would get $46, and there would be a remainder of $3 left over. Let me show you another way. So you'll notice a lot of similarities with this second strategy called partial quotients. I'm still using those friendly numbers, and I'm trying to figure out how many 4s are inside of 187. So if I do 4 times 20, that would give me 80. When I take out 80, that leaves me with 107. If I do another 4 times 20 or another 20 groups of 4, I would take out another 80. When I take out another 80, that's going to leave me with 27. Remember last time with my groups, I did a times 5 next. If I have 5 4s, that would take 20 out of that 187, just leaving me with 7. And then if I did times 1, that would take me out that 4. 1 times 4 is 4, which would leave me with a remainder of 3. And then if you look along the side, the 20, the 20, the 5, and the 1, there's my 45, 46 with a remainder of 3. That is using partial quotients. So that's 2 ways for you to try, and here's your challenge. 236 divided by 5.